I just woke up to this notification over here. I just got paid $349.75 to my Bitcoin wallet from this affiliate program today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do this to make $349.75 today, and it's a perfect strategy for beginners and people that are experts and are already existing affiliate marketers. I'm going to be talking about my number one ultimate passive income affiliate program, which actually pays you 100% affiliate commissions your first month and 30% every month thereafter. This platform pays via check, so it will actually deliver a check to your address. Bitcoin, you can withdraw in various different ways of gift cards, direct to bank, wire transfer, or you can actually order a prepaid card over here. So this affiliate program is paying out in every single way possible. So no matter where you are in the world, there's no excuse not to get paid out by this. I personally use the Bitcoin withdrawal because it's pretty much same day instant and your money is accumulating in value while sitting in cryptocurrency. As you can see over here today, I got paid over $349 via Bitcoin. I'll reload this over here to show you that this is my live emails over here and my live notification and not some kind of screenshots or anything like that. And there you can see that this has been refreshed. So without further ado, let's get into today's value packed video. Hey, what's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? My name is Jay, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach and trader from South Africa, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I used to make money online. In today's video, we are going to be talking about affiliate marketing, but in a pretty different way. We are actually going to go and get paid out in cryptocurrency, of course, if you want to select that option. And we are going to be talking about an affiliate program that pays 100% commission your first month. That's all profits to you, and 30% commission every month thereafter passively for the rest of your life. So this is one of my favorite affiliate programs. I've personally generated over $20,000 with this affiliate program. But firstly, I want to introduce you to this affiliate program so that you know how to go and sign up as an affiliate so that you can start making commissions from the strategy. That website is called Builderall.com. Now, I'm pretty sure you've heard of ClickFunnels, Carter.com, and many other web development platforms like WordPress, Shopify. This is just another alternative that I personally prefer and use the most. You'll see on my YouTube channel, if you've been following me for quite a while, I talk a lot about Builderall and Carter. So this is an all-in-one website builder in a box. You can go and design your own funnels and landing pages, host your own online stores, have email automation included in your pages. You can have WhatsApp automation, SMS automation. You can build your own marketplace. You can create your own help desks. You can import your own done-for-you campaigns, host your own webinars, build your own agencies, create your own magazines, host your own membership areas called the e-learning tool where you can go and sell your own courses, video hosting, Telegram funnels. It's got a whole bunch of endless tools that is perfect for any kind of online entrepreneur. Just to give you an idea of what you're going to earn from this first before we dive into the strategy, it's super important that you do know all of this. If you come over to the plans page over here, the affiliate programs works as follows. So they've got four main packages: the Cheetah, Marketer, Premium, and Funnel Club. Now, on your first month of referral, if you refer me to this affiliate program, you are going to get 100% commission your first month. So if you refer me to the Marketer program, you are going to get $76.90 sent to your account, which you can withdraw via Bitcoin, direct transfer, or wire transfer. You can choose what you like. Every month thereafter, let me just quickly bring up my calculator. You're going to get 30% of $76 every month. So let's go $76.90 times 30%, which is $23 every month for the rest of your life. Now, let's say you refer 20 people to the Marketer plan. You're going to get $76.90 times 20. Immediately $1,538 once off your first month, and 30% every month thereafter. So let's multiply this by 30%, which is now $461 every month thereafter, passively, while you eat, sleep, and enjoy your day and literally do nothing. If you refer 100 people to the Marketer program, now that's $3,000 a month, which is a sustainable monthly income while doing nothing. So you can quite understand where you can scale to with an affiliate program like this. And firstly, I want to talk about our first free traffic platform over here called Hercules.com, which is a website where you can go and submit ads and emails where they advertise that to thousands of people. Now, I'm going to show you which something amazing Builderall gives you, is done for your email templates that you can go and use on Hercules.com. So over here, we've got a whole daily series, day 1, day 2, day 3, I think it's up to 6 days, an entire week of email marketing templates that we can plug into Hercules.com. So over here, you will see, hey, and it replaces it with their name. I saw that you visited our team Builderall. Click here to watch a free video. I ensure that you don't miss out on our offer. And it says over here, if you want to go and get your first $1,000 in 30 days, this free training will give you that. Now, we're just going to change this up a little bit. If you come over to your Builderall dashboard or Builderall website over here and you scroll down, you need to come over to the partners page over here. You need to come over to the affiliates page over here to go and get your affiliate link. You'll see, if you scroll down over here, right to the bottom, you can go and apply as a solo affiliate. Click on this button and it will give you all the instructions over there. Once you're in your Builderall dashboard as an affiliate, come over to the affiliates tab on the top right. You can go and get all your affiliate links. Now, what I really like about Builderall is they actually give you a done for you funnel where they give your leads over $1,200 in bonuses and a free trial, which I use as a hook to hook in my leads into the affiliate program or into the tool by giving value and giving it away for free for a certain amount of time, causing a lot more people to stay with the tool, ultimately increasing my conversion rate and my total commissions. So if you scroll down over here, you want to go and look for the page that says your first 5-day commission. If you go and paste your affiliate link in a new tab and you open this up, take a look at this landing page over here and you scroll down, your leads will be able to get all of these bonuses over here at $1,288 in total value completely for free, with Builderall for free for 14 days as well. Secondly, come back to Hercules.com, click on login or sign up if you don't have an account. I'm going to log in with my existing account. And once you've signed in, your dashboard is going to go and look like this. Go and click on submit daily email or web or ad, which is completely free to do. At the top over here, click on continue to add mailers. There's going to be lots of advertising and upsells and downsells on this website. And when you scroll down over here, you can see you've got your subject line, your test URL, and your ad body. And really simple, just come back to your email swipes tab over here. Go and copy the daily one over here. So you can copy this title. Come back to your ad, paste this as your subject line. And we want to change this a little bit. Free $1,200 plus in bonuses and over 20 done for you campaigns are awaiting. You click dot 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 dot, and for your ad body, you can go and copy the same email swipe over here. Go and paste this on your Hercules ad, and we can go and type here, hey there, we are currently offering over $1,200 in bonuses and a free trial with Builderall, a web design and funnel building tool. We can leave the rest as is. You can put your name over here, J, and you can just remove the Skype. And then for your test URL, you want to come back to Builderall, copy your affiliate link and paste your URL over here and click on submit ad. And this ad will get a free 1,000 views to this ad that you have just posted. That's going to lead us to the second part of the strategy, where we are going to go and scale this business. Now that we've got a free 1,000 visitors and some traction going to our affiliate link, I want to show you a strategy that I've been using with social media to go and scale at this. So firstly, you want to come over to Instagram and create an Instagram profile, either your own personal name or some kind of name in your niche. In this case, it's funnel building, web automation, email automation. So you can come over to Google and just go and search business name generator and go and get a whole idea for different names. Secondly, to go and post and create the right content and to go and get a lot of clicks and conversions on your link in your bio, you're going to come over to TikTok.com. And we simply gonna outsource already viral content on TikTok onto Instagram Reels to replicate that virality, as you are completely allowed to do this. And because that video has already gone viral, it's very easy to go and piggyback that success. So if you come over to TikTok and you go and search affiliate marketing tips or web design tips, you can go and download any of these videos, for example, let's take this one over here. Go and copy the link of the TikTok, come over to Google and go and search TikTok download without watermark. Click on enter, go and click on the first link over here, go and paste your URL, click on search, and you can go and download this video straight to your PC without the watermark so that Instagram won't pick it up as a repost. If you go and post a video from TikTok on Instagram with the watermark, you probably will hardly get any views. You can then come over to Instagram, repost this TikTok, and just give credit in the captions. I'll show you a good example over here. This was a piece of content I made yesterday and uploaded last night. You'll see in the caption, I always give credits to the original creator if I got inspiration from another idea. You want to go and do the same thing, just go and give content credits to. You can leave their handle or tag them on Instagram in the description of each and every one of your posts, or you can leave a comment. Go and type $3,200 worth of bonuses and free training on this funnel tool builder over here and leave your affiliate link. And that way, Instagram Reels, since they're already pushing out a lot of content, there are pages out there that get thousands of views with 0 followers on Instagram Reels, because that's just how the algorithm works on short video platforms at the moment. Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, all very similar in the type of way it pushes out content, and it takes a lot of people that have never been heard of before viral and blows up a lot of their content, which can be you if you utilize the strategy correctly. And in doing that, you need to go and post consistently. Set a schedule, whether it's 1 post a day, a post every second day. You want to set some kind of schedule so that the algorithm can see that you are posting regularly. Thirdly, you can come over to a website called shoutcart.com, and this is where we can go and scale with paid ad influencer shoutouts and get pages that are already big and famous to shout out our post or shout out our affiliate link. So if you come over to shoutcart.com, I'm going to log in with my existing account, click on browse influencers, and it will take you to a list of all the pages that are offering shout outs on their page. So since our niche is business and finance and entrepreneurship, you want to go and uncheck everything over here and go and check all the accounts or all the niches. So for example, we're going to go and check, I would say, just entrepreneurship over here, all of these pages, and you can go and choose from all of these pages to go and pay for a shout out. So for example, if we're just going to go and use Instagram over here, this page with 121,000 followers is charging $150 for a basic shout out. I'm just going to have a look at the other packages. I usually use the Instagram story and swipe up link. So this will cost you $70 for a shout out, a swipe up feature on a 121,000 follower page. And when you sign up on this website, you will get 10 free credits where you can actually go and unlock their username. I've already used all of those credits, so you'll see for me it won't work, but for you, you can go and do that. Go over to the Instagram page and have a look at their engagement. If their posts are getting anywhere between a 5 and 10% like to follower ratio, it's a good page. Meaning, if they've got 120,000 followers, they should be getting anywhere between 3,000 and 12,000 likes per post to have good engagement. If that's the case, you can go and order your shout out with the swipe up feature to your website or to one of your posts that already exist on your Instagram page, which is what I recommend because you want to get all of their followers to your page, naturally viewing your content and naturally clicking on your affiliate link. So you can easily start off this by using the completely free strategy by posting on Instagram and growing organically, and also growing with Herculist over here. And then you can eventually scale with paid shoutouts on shoutcart.com. So what I'm going to do is to load you up with even more value on this particular topic. Is I'm going to give you 2 free courses on YouTube completely for free. There's no crazy $2,000 course upsell. It's all free value that I've uploaded on YouTube. I'm going to give you my entire affiliate marketing training playlist, which consists of about 200 videos that I've posted on YouTube in the past 2 years, now compiled into one easy playlist for you guys. On the other side over here, I'm going to give you my entire Builderall training playlist, which will take you through how you can create your own funnels, how to create your own landing pages, how to create your own membership areas, and build your own email automation campaigns, and more in depth about the affiliate program. If you want to go and plug that in with this Instagram strategy that forms a really good sweet spot as an affiliate marketer, what I recommend is go and save these 2 playlists to your watch later and click on one of them, and I'll see you over there.